Hi mga ka-Adventure, after 5 to 6 hours of van ride nga, andito na tayo sa Bulian Port.
Meanwhile,
unfortunately, umuulan. Here at the tourism office. So going to port, pasakay na. Balabac, Palawan is also known as the last frontier of the last frontier, maybe because of its geographical location.
a few moments later.
Ito ba town proper? Town proper. Ito yung town proper, kaya may signal. Ito yung sinasabi na parang from Buliluyan Port, 2 hours pa. So ito na yan. Mga ka-Adventure, you might wonder pala why we chose Balabac as our next destination despite sa long hours of travel. So just to give you a brief background why we chose Balabac, Palawan as our next destination is that we planned na to way back 2020 pa. Kaso, due to pandemic, na-move siya ng na-move. And finally, we cannot imagine that after 4 years of waiting, we will be able to see this crystal clear water of Balabac and ma-amaze sa ganda na meron ng Pilipinas. Definitely, we'll be back soon. First stop, the Onok Island. Probably one of the most sought after island in the Philippines. Alam nyo ba na mas nakilala pa ang Onok Island simula nung pumunta ang Ong family sa isla na ito na pinapangunahan ng vlogger na si Gio Ong. Oops! Mga ka-Adventure, before I forget, if you're planning to have an overnight stay pala here in Onok Island, you have to prepare 1,000 pesos each for an overnight stay here in beautiful island of Onok. So sa mga oras na to, tinawag tayo sa pinaka-favorite part of the day, chibugan time! Meron tayong cheesy crabs, kanin, chicken adobo, coke, fish, and another coke. So lahat pala ng aming kinain ay kasama na sa tour package na aming binayaran. We highly suggest if you are planning to go here in Balabac, might as well to get your tour package na. So less hassle and smooth ang ating pag-travel. Best, ganda-ganda ka.
Hindi crab yan.
Ano naman to sa kabilang tingin?
Crab sticks.
Baka siguro kaya tayo gala ng gala dahil for a brief moment na nandun tayo sa lugar na yun,
Sa oras na yon, pakiramdam natin, kahit saglit, malaya tayo.
Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Dito muna.
Nuklo ka ng pangit? Nuklo ka ng pangit? Nuklo ka ng ganda. Saksa ka ng ganda.
Ice, baby.
Atin kami binyag. Yung bininyagan ayun sa likod.
Magpapayong, huwag ka magpayong.
Hindi, ito na. Ganda dito.
Napaka-fine nung sand.
Kung yung kakadel, tapos yung gumanang ganun. Kayong gagawin. Mapipikit na ako dito. Hindi pa makikita.
Malagyan kaya ng buhangin ko. Oo, pwede naman.
Yun, ano may ka?
Trigo. Ay, sakto na.
May nagbobon.
Wala, pangit yung floating yung cottage. Pag may tumaon. Nagagawa ko.
Making a stay of the year. Ganda. Perfect. Diyan lulubog. Jai, ito yung perfect picturean, oh. Ayan, oh. Sandal ka lang sa niyog. Sa niyog.
Dito maganda yung pwesto na. Tapos tayo sa magandang.
Balabac trip is not complete if you will not visit Onok Island. Malayo man ang biyahe papunta sa lugar na to, masasabi mo naman na literal na parang ayaw mo nang umuwi. Life nowadays is really exhausting. Kaya if you have the chance to visit a place you've never been before, grab it and don't wait until it's too late. Sabi nga nila, one thing you will regret when you are old is not taking the opportunity to travel when you were still young. So what we are waiting for? Tara, biyahe tayo.